In this video, you'll learn how to create a workout tracker in Notion. By following these steps, you will set up a personalized tracking system for your fitness activities. Begin by navigating to the Notion website, open your preferred web browser and enter notion.so in the address bar. Once the page loads, you will see the Notion homepage, which features various options for signing in or creating a new account. Next, locate the drop-down menu at the top left corner of the screen. Click on this menu and a list of options will appear. You should see choices such as templates and marketplace, among others. After that, click on Templates to access the available template options. This section provides a variety of pre-designed layouts that can help you get started with organizing your content in Notion. Once you're in the template section, find and click on Marketplace. This will direct you to a wider selection of templates created by both Notion and the community, allowing you to explore different categories of templates. At this point, type Workout Tracker into the search bar located at the top of the Marketplace page. This action will filter the available templates, narrowing them down to those specifically designed for tracking workouts. Now, click on the highlighted Workout Tracker template that appears in the search results. The next screen will provide a detailed view of this template, showcasing its features and layouts. Following this, you will see an option that says Add to Private. Click on this button to save the template to your personal Notion workspace. This step is essential for customizing the tracker to fit your needs. Once you've clicked Add to Private, a confirmation message will appear indicating that the template has been successfully added. You should ensure that the template is now listed in your private section for easy access. Next, you will see a notification that states template is ready. Click on this notification to proceed to the next step and view your newly added workout tracker template. After this, click on See Template to open the workout tracker. This action will take you to the main interface of the tracker where you can start customizing it according to your fitness goals. Now, locate and click on Workout Exercises within the template. This section will allow you to input your workout routines, helping you keep track of the exercises you perform. Next, click on Fitness Journal and Reflection. This area is designed for you to record your thoughts and progress after workouts, providing a space for reflection on your fitness journey. Afterwards, click on Workout Plan. This part of the tracker enables you to outline your workout schedules and goals, ensuring that you stay organized and focused on your fitness objectives. Finally, click on Fitness Goals to set specific targets for your fitness journey. This section will help you define what you aim to achieve, making your workouts more purposeful and directed. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.